Hey everyone, I am here with my unboxing video of the Scrapbooking Store's April 2020 kit featuring One of a Kind by My Mind's Eye, which is a new release. A couple of new different things for Scrapbooking Store's monthly kit this month, which I think is super awesome. I'm really happy with what they chose. Before I go any further, I want to mention I am a member of their design team. In the description box below, there will be all of the links for Scrapbooking Store, their Facebook page, their blog, also obviously their store. In the description box, one of the links is my affiliate link. So if you would like to purchase the kit, the embellishment upgrade, or just make a one-time purchase, if you use that link, I get a little bit of a commission, but it doesn't cost you any more money. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. One thing I will say, in the main kit, you get 10 double-sided pattern papers, and one of the cool thing is 8 of the 10 papers are actually duplicates. So if you are a double page scrapper, this is perfect for you. You can make double pages using pattern paper as your background, or if you're like me and go, oh, that's super pretty, I wish I could work with 12 by 12 of both sides, you get that as well. So I'm going to start off with the 2 pieces that are not doubled, and then I'll show you the pieces that are doubled, and then I will show you the fun new thing going on for the month of April. So the kit is made up of One of a Kind by My Mind's Eye, and this is really like self-love themed type of line. You know, it's great for layouts about yourself, great for layouts about you and your friends, and so I'm really looking forward to working with this. This page is called One of a Kind. Sorry. The collection is One of a Kind. This page is called Her Story. So this one has tone-on-tone words like champion, explorer, musician, boss, leader, wife, mother, student, girlfriend, you know, so all sorts of things that refer to the women in our life, whether it be ourselves or our daughters or nieces or mothers or aunts or best friends. So I'm looking forward to working with that. The other side of this has these tone-on-tone rainbows in shades of red and pink. And then the second piece of paper that is a single is this one here, which has the icon, very pop art going on style of ladies. The B-side of this one, called Girls, 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 has these little daisies on that cornflower blue background. All right, so the rest of these, you get 2 pieces each. So I will show you like that. So this one is called Isn't She Lovely? And it's got the tone-on-tone spattering of dots in vertical lines, but they're all different sizes, so that would be super cute. And then that lovely multicolor floral is on the other side. Next up, we have this super curvy geometrical design, and you get 2 of these as well. And then this B-side, it kind of looks like very colorful countertop, like if you had a speckled rock countertop, and it is called Simply Stated. Next up, we have this one, and this has all sorts of different little mini ladies all over it on a cream background. The B-side of this is a yellow tone-on-tone with words in cursive, and it says, "The future is female," and it is called "The Future is Female." I am shocked. Next up, we have this really abstract floral botanical style print. And the B-side of that is some more daisies, this time on a red background. And it's slightly different looking from this one. This is more like you can kind of see they're regimented, whereas this one's kind of just all over the place, if that makes any sense. This one is called Empowered. And then as part of the main kit, you do get the 6x12 stickers that come with this collection. They are matte, which is really nice. They're not shiny whatsoever. And they have the same thematics of florals and female empowerment and all the same colors that are in the kit, obviously. All right, so what's new with the Scrapbooking Store main kits? You are going to get 2 pieces of cardstock as well. So you get this piece of, and it does have a name on it. It's from the My Colors cardstock, and it's called Blue. Very descriptive, but if you look at it with the stickers, it is a wonderful match to go with this cornflowery blue that is in the collection. And then you are also getting a piece of whitewash cardstock as well. And it's solid. It doesn't have a texture to it, but it's very, very thick. So if you're someone who likes to do mixed media, this would definitely be workable with a mixed media. All right, so that is the main kit. Now I will show you the embellishment upgrade. All right, so if you have any interest, one thing you can do is add the embellishment upgrade to your kit. This gives you some extra embellishments to work with, and they always complement the main kit really well. So we're going to start off with these Project Life chipboard pieces. It's actually called Desktop, and it has a lot of great things. Some of them are a little bit office-y themed, but really not a lot. You've got ampersands, you've got tag-shaped items, paper clips, which can be kind of cute. Hearts, corners, little Filofax shaped things, scissors, beauty, some file tabs, some frames, some florals. So really a nice mix to go along with the female empowerment thing. So maybe you want to do something about your job, or even, scissors are very crafty. So, talk about crafting yourself. I've got a couple of crop photos I want to scrapbook, so I will definitely be using this kit for that. Second up, as part of the embellishment upgrade, are the die cuts for the one-of-a-kind collection. And on the back, it shows you them all. I'm trying to get it so there's no glare, but you can still see them. So we have everything from floral pieces to tags to little circular elements, along with words and phrases that you can use for all of your layouts. Finally, as part of the embellishment upgrade, we have these Heidi Swapp Puffy stickers. And hold on one second, let me grab. They are acrylic backed, so I just want to show you something with a white background. So we've got words and hearts and arrows and stars, and they are a shiny, rather than matte, which is nice because the stickers are matte, which is great, but it's nice to get, it was one of my dogs, sorry. It's nice to have a little different texture. So having the shiny, since you have the matte stickers in the main kit, having these shiny puffy stickers adds to it. We also have some more stars and more arrows, and there's even a third with more words, and this is on a white background, so we can just do that. More stars, more hearts, a couple of ampersands as well. And the words are really nice. Like, they're like very easy to word. Well, we're gonna work on chow. I don't know how it's gonna work in with my scrapbooking, but that is the embellishment upgrade for the Scrapbooking Store for the month of April 2020. So as I said at the beginning of this video, all of the links are in the description box below. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop me a comment. My first layout using this kit will be up in the first week of April, so that will hopefully be super fun. I hope to get started on it real soon. All right, everyone, thanks so much for joining me here. Have a great day. Bye.